Hey guys, this is Mama Made. I have the coupon inserts that are coming on Sunday, March the 14th, 2021. There may be Smart Source, but I don't get Smart Source in my area. I do get these, used to be Retail May Not, now it's Unilever and the Save coupon inserts. So I get them in my mailbox on Wednesdays, usually the week before they actually come out for everyone. So that's how I get them. It is a regional thing. We don't even get them in our sale paper or in our newspapers anymore. Okay, so we have some advertisements here. I didn't even get to look through these yet, so there'll probably be coupons either later on in here or in the Unilever. So here we have the Hillshire Little Smokies coupon. We haven't seen that in quite a while. Usually we get those around New Year's and Christmas, and I did not see them this year. Okay, so this Ally, I guess it's Ally, I don't know how you say it. I guess I didn't show you these. Nexus, there's going to be a deal at CVS. $1 Neutrogena. Can't believe we are starting to see sun care products. Coupons. So here's P&G Good Every Day. You can print these if you want. Sundown coupons there. So this is a Family Dollar deal here. Okay, just pan out here. If you want to see this, just hit pause so you can look at it, but I don't go over Family Dollar deals because I don't even shop there. Okay. So here is Advil and Robitussin. Some Advil here. Preparation H, Nexium, and Flonase. If you take allergy medicines all year long for indoor and pet allergies, definitely stock up this time of year because we actually see sales and we get coupons. It's a great way to save money throughout the year when allergy medicine isn't on sale. Here we have a bunch of medicine, stomach issue stuff. Never even heard of that stuff, Greenberry. And that's it for this insert, and this will probably have matching coupons to go with the ads that we just saw. All right, so here we have some Degree Dry Spray, men's and women's, and Dry Spray Dove. Dove bar, buy one men's body wash. You get the antiperspirant or deodorant stick for free. That could make for a great deal. And $2 off of the men's hair care. 3 off of 2 Axe and the buy one Axe body spray. I'm sorry, you get a free body spray when you buy any Axe product. We had the same coupon. I think it was worded a little different last time we got this insert. Here we have some Degree deodorant coupons. Caress St. Ives Lever 2000 body wash or bar soap. $1.50 St. Ives. $1.50 on the Tresemme Pro collection. Here we have $2. Sorry guys, I'm having trouble getting my inserts to turn. Pond coupon there, Suave coupon, 5 off of 2 and 4 off of 2. Here we have some Suave and hair care, kids and men's. Keep in mind that these values sometimes are a little different for everybody. So just keep that in mind. You might see higher values in my insert and you might only get like a 50-cent coupon. Dove bath product. Buy one simple product, get a simple wipes for free. That would make for a good deal. And buy one hand sanitizer, you get a hand sanitizer product for free. I have not tried that, so I would definitely like to try that. Here's a hand wash, you get a hand wash for free. These are really great coupons that they're giving us. $5 Nexus coupon. You could definitely use that with the CVS deal that I mentioned earlier. And then 75 cents, $1.50. Keep in mind, these Unilever coupons are always a limit of 2 identical coupons. So you can't go crazy. Okay, so Dove hair care and Dove deodorant here. And then the $2 men's Vaseline. I would really like to get a deal on that for my husband. And that's it, guys. So that's it that I have for the inserts coming on Sunday. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.